I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have a huge haul for you guys. So there's sale everywhere and there's a lot of offers. So I have a lot of skincare, beauty and fashion to share with you guys, and I'll be talking about all the sale and my recommendations and what all I got and what I plan to order, or I've already ordered but I haven't received them. So yeah, let's get started. So I picked up a bunch of products from Wow Skin Size. This is their apple cider vinegar foaming face wash. This is actually pretty interesting because it has a brush as well. It comes with this brush, and apple cider vinegar face wash is something really famous from their collection, and also because it has this brush you can use it for exfoliating, so you can use just a face wash once in a while, or you can just go ahead and use this as well. So I would recommend that you use it once in a while and make sure that you don't over exfoliate your skin. So this is one really nice product. So Wow Skincare has some amazing offers. When you buy 3 you pay just for 2 products, and when you buy 6 you pay just for 4 products. So this is the amazing offer that they have. So this offer is actually through Kashkaro. So if you download Kashkaro and go through Kashkaro to purchase these, not only can you avail the offer but you'll also get cash back. So Kashkaro is this app, I've spoken about it earlier. So they have these really amazing deals. So whenever you see a sale or whenever you're trying to purchase something online, so do check out Kashkaro to see whether the products that you're purchasing are on some deal. So sometimes they have these 1+1 offers, or like I just mentioned, they have these crazy deals, and sometimes they have cashback, which is pretty amazing. So now if you go to Myntra, you can see really good discounts even on Wow products. So yeah, do check them out. But I think sale will run out. I'm sorry about this video going up late. I should have uploaded it a little ahead, but still I'm hoping that you'll find this useful. Next we have the aloe vera hydrating face wash. Since the climate was a little sultry and it was really hot till recently, and now also it's a little sultry, so this is really good for that kind of a climate, and this is the aloe vera hydrating face wash. So I do have like combination skin, and this one has aloe vera and hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. So this is actually pretty good and it's very gentle on the skin. I've used it quite a bit. This is a new pack, so I was doing a giveaway a little while back, so I've got these to ship them to the giveaway winner. But yeah, I have one for myself as well, and I've used it in the past and it's really nice. So I really like their aloe vera range of products, and oh yeah, this one is also very soothing. So in the same line of products, they also have a sleeping mask. I found this concept pretty interesting actually. So this is actually pretty fun. So this is like an overnight mask. So this also has aloe vera juice, green tea extract and hyaluronic acid. This one is also very hydrating and very soothing actually. So it's really nice for one of those days when you're feeling a little dull, and when you're feeling like you need that moisture to be locked in, or when you're feeling a little exhausted. Also this is really refreshing. So yeah, this is also something that you can definitely try. And now we have their super famous product. This is the apple cider vinegar shampoo, and we also have the hair conditioner. This is the virgin coconut oil and avocado oil and wheat protein conditioner. I have used their apple cider vinegar shampoo, which used to come in this bottle. I've used, I think, a couple of times. Like I've used 2-3 bottles, I've run out of them, and then I tried some other variants as well in this, but I do come back to apple cider vinegar. So it doesn't actually lather much when you're using it, which can be a little confusing and tricky, but you should alternatively keep adding water and shampoo and keep cleansing. So that is how this one works, and it works pretty well, and it removes all the dirt and everything on the scalp, especially for this season and even for the summer. This was actually really good. It gets rid of all the unnecessary dirt and everything on your scalp. It keeps it fresh and clean. So that's what this does. And this is the conditioner. This one is like this almost smells like a really yummy moisturizer. So this one is really good too. I apply it only to the ends. I make sure that I apply it only to the ends. But if you're someone who uses CG method, the curly girl method, then this may not be very suitable for you. But you can use it alternatively once in a while, or you can just apply it to the ends, and it's pretty nice. So next we have the 10-in-1 miracle oil, and the bottle is in not so good shape because this has been lying around forever. But I wanted to talk to you guys about this one as well because currently there's sale, and of course because this one's really nice. It's very lightweight, it's not greasy like other oils, and this has like really good benefits. Basically it sits really well and it's not greasy and it's very lightweight. Or if you're having a little bit of hair fall, then this is something that you can try. So lastly I wanted to talk about body wash. This is the only one which I have right now, but I've used some of their other body washes. This is the tea and mint. So this is very refreshing. It's really nice. I generally like fruity flavors, but this one's really good. So it's very fresh and very refreshing. They have really good body washes, so do check out that range as well. So you just have to go ahead and download Cashkaro app. So once you download it and sign up for the app, the link will be in the description box. So using that link you can just go ahead and sign up, and then you can go ahead and find the offer that you're looking for. So in this case Wow Skin Science, and they have so many other offers as you can see. So directly from Cashkaro, once you click on avail cashback or avail this offer, you have to go directly and purchase whatever products you're looking for and add all the products to the cart and purchase it as usual. You can go to your Cashkaro account and you can actually see that you avail your cashback. You will automatically receive your cashback in your account itself, and you can either transfer this to your account or Paytm or other options. So basically that's how it works. That is how simple it is to avail these amazing offers. So yeah, the link is in the description box, so do check it out. And whenever you're purchasing anything online, you can actually see Cashkaro. If you already downloaded the app, then it's pretty easy. You can just log in from your account, directly click the link in the description box, and you can just sign in and avail your cashback offer, or the offer that we're talking about, like the Wow offer. Now let's move on to some makeup and then kurtas. So firstly I wanted to talk about this L'Oreal Rouge lipstick. This is the shade I Decide, but I have the entire set of colors and I've already reviewed them. I've swatched them, so you can check out that video if you want to see swatches. And again, there's a sale on this. Originally I think it's 600 something, but currently you can get it for a much lesser price. So yeah, again there's a huge sale on Myntra, so do check it out. So this is a lovely shade, and they have like light to dark shades, so you can find something that suits your skin type and something that you're looking for. It has very beautiful nudes and even darker colors. So yeah, they have a very good range of selection, and the formula is really good. It's not very drying on the lips, and it does stay for quite long. And yeah, pretty good colors and pretty nice formula. I really like this formula. So it is a little close to Huda Beauty. It's not exact copy, but I think this is a pretty good formula. So if you haven't tried this, get your hands on it. And yeah, you can check out my swatches video if you would like to see swatches. So Myntra actually has a really good sale on a lot of beauty and skincare related brands too. But I wanted to tell you guys about this amazing offer on MAC. So you get a complimentary lipstick worth 1650 on purchases of 3000 rupees. So if you're looking to get some MAC products, this is a really good time because their lipsticks are really nice. So I'll quickly show you guys two of the lipsticks that I like, and something that is really famous. So this is their Lady Danger. This is the one of those chili reds. It's a lovely shade. If you're somebody in the lighter to medium skin tones, then this is something you can try. But if you're somebody in the deeper skin tone, then you should definitely try Ruby Woo. That's a very beautiful color. It would look so gorgeous on you. So yeah, this is the Lady Danger one. And one more lipstick I have is Relentlessly Red. So this is a little matte and it's a little bit on the pinky red kind of a shade. So this one is also very beautiful. So all the reds are really good, and I really like the formula of this and even these. They have other formulas also, which is pretty good. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys these two lipsticks. So that was all about the beauty products. Now let's move on to the exciting part, that is kurtas. Since Myntra sale, kurtas is something that you guys usually enjoy on my channel, so I wanted to share this with you guys. And they have a lot of brands on sale. So this is one of the kurtas which I got a while back actually. So it's an off-white kurta with a little bit of like gold weaving all over, and it's an anarkali style. looks very beautiful. This is a lovely kurta and it's cotton, and this one actually is available in different colors. I think there's one in yellow and green also, and it has lining. I wore this in my, I think, house tour video and some other video also. So yeah, this is one really nice kurta, and you can pair it up with like a colorful dupatta or a Banarasi dupatta, and it would look so good. And then I ordered some other kurtas, but they haven't arrived yet, but since the sale will get done, I wanted to quickly tell you guys about the kurtas. So this is a beautiful green maxi dress. It's around 2,600 originally, but because of the 74% off, it's for 700. So I ordered this one, and it's so pretty. It's quite long and really beautiful. So that's one kurta which I really liked. I also ordered this pink kurta from Here and Now, and this has a beautiful feel to it. It looks very festive with some of the festivals coming up. Even if you're going to be home and social distancing as well, you can still celebrate festivals, right? So I wanted to get this for myself. So this one is $9.99. Again, it's on 60% off, and I thought that was a pretty decent price considering that, you know, it's very festive and very pretty. It has, I think, gold polka dots, and I did order a few more, but I will show you guys like a collective try on haul once they all arrive. So that was about today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope these offers and everything was helpful. So do check them out real quick because the sale is getting over on Myntra today, but you can still avail the offer on Wow. So from Cash Karo, you'll have to avail this offer. So download Cash Karo from the link in the description box and do check it out. I hope this video was fun, and I have a bunch of haul videos lined up for you guys, and a lot of fashion related videos and others coming up. And do stay tuned for everything, and also find me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle here, so you'll keep seeing some OOTD pictures there and short videos and styling videos and all that. So do follow me there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.